Each sign of the zodiac, which has 30 degrees in each sign, is further broken down into 3 decanates that contain 10 degrees each. The decanates of each sign are of the same element: fire, water, air, and earth. The decanates can be applied to any planet in your chart, so that you will have the main sign as the primary influence and the decanate sign as a minor influence in that planet's domain. For example, if your sun sign is Libra, and you were born when the sun was at 14 degrees, your decanate would be Aquarius. This means you will have some of the same characteristics as sun sign Aquarians, in addition to your sun sign Libran qualities. If you were born when a planet was at 0 degrees to 9 degrees 59 minutes, which corresponds approximately to the first 10 days of a sign, you are a double dose of that sign, and thus its characteristics are extra strong in you with regard to that planet's domain. For example, if you have Venus and Gemini in any decanate, generally you will prefer to have multiple lovers, you enjoy lighthearted flirting, and you prefer to avoid serious long-term relationships because you highly value your freedom. If you were born with Venus at 0 degrees to 9 degrees 59 minutes of Gemini, those proclivities fit you very well. However, if you have Venus in Gemini 10 degrees to 19 degrees 59 minutes, the decanate is Libra, so these proclivities are modified somewhat. Instead of having multiple lovers all the time, you may only have them some of the time, you may desire to spend more time with your partner, and you may desire a long-term monogamous relationship more than people born in the other 2 decanates of Venus and Gemini. The cusps of the signs vary somewhat each year, and if you were born on a cusp, it would be wise to check in an ephemeris, go to astro.com, or ask an astrologer to find out which sign you actually are. You cannot be a mixture of 2 adjacent sun signs. You are either one or the other. Generally, the first 10 days correspond to 0 degrees to 9 degrees 59 minutes of a sign, the second 10 days to 10 degrees 19 degrees 59 minutes of a sign, and the third 10 days to 20 degrees to 29 degrees 59 minutes of a sign. So for Aries, the first 10 days of Aries, the decanate would be Aries. The second 10 days, the decanate is Leo. The third 10 days, the decanate is Sagittarius. For Taurus, the first 10 days, the decanate is Taurus. The second 10 days, the decanate is Virgo. And the third 10 days, the decanate is Capricorn. For Gemini, the first 10 days, the decanate is Gemini. The second 10 days, the decanate is Libra. And the third 10 days, the decanate is Aquarius. For Cancer, the first 10 days, the decanate is Cancer. The second 10 days, the decanate is Scorpio. And the third 10 days, the decanate is Pisces. For Leo, the first 10 days, the decanate is Leo. The second 10 days, the decanate is Sagittarius. And the third 10 days, the decanate is Aries. For Virgo, the first 10 days, the decanate is Virgo. The second 10 days, the decanate is Capricorn. And the third 10 days, the decanate is Taurus. For Libra, the first 10 days, the decanate is Libra. The second 10 days, the decanate is Aquarius. The third 10 days, the decanate is Gemini. For Scorpio, the first 10 days, the decanate is Scorpio. The second 10 days, the decanate is Pisces. And the third 10 days, the decanate is Cancer. For Sagittarius, the first 10 days, the decanate is Sagittarius. The second 10 days, the decanate is Aries. And the third 10 days, the decanate is Leo. For Capricorn, the first 10 days, the decanate is Capricorn. The second 10 days, the decanate is Taurus. The third 10 days, the decanate is Virgo. For Aquarius, the first 10 days, the decanate is Aquarius. The second 10 days, the decanate is Gemini. And the third 10 days, the decanate is Libra. For Pisces, the first 10 days, the decanate is Pisces. The second 10 days, the decanate is Cancer. And the third 10 days, the decanate is Scorpio. In applying this info to your chart, note at which degree each planet falls in your chart. So if you have your Mercury at 12 degrees Scorpio, the decanate would be Pisces. And therefore your Mercury, which represents thought processes and communication style, would be colored by Scorpio primarily with a minor influence of Pisces.